Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a song. So let's get started. Draw a round circle slowly. A big round circle. Then a line with a curve at the edge. And a line connect to the circle. Repeat the steps. Slowly. Continue drawing this line. Now, we will draw the eyes, two round big circles, inside with a small circle, and a smaller circle. Now, draw the details. Slowly. With line inside. And the mouth with the tongue. Now we have a cute sound. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.